Hi everybody. Let me explain about how to do kizami gyaku or ageuke gyakuzuki for the Kihon Ippon and Ju Ippon or Ju Kumite with slightly more hip oriented or vertical motion oriented usage, and also executing your arm from shoulder blades. What I mean by that, let me start. Now, let's practice with ageuke gyakuzuki. I'm sorry, ageuke gedanbarai gyakuzuki. So if I do, it's a quite a typical way of using stop and then sliding. And also I'm executing power from quite a rigid power-oriented way. Now, let's use the muscle slightly differently. Now, first of all, I would like you to think blocking from the shoulder blades rather than your arms. So what I mean by that, shoulder blades can be separated from the rib cage and the spine. So if you can think of the arm executed from the shoulder blades rather than arm, then you need less tension, and that as if you are less tense, then you have more speed, and also you can use your body like a whip more. Now, and then also same as gyakuzuki, you can derive from shoulder blades. It gives more distance as well than power-oriented, then it sort of shorten the muscle, because as soon as you tense up, muscle gets shortened at the same time. So if you allow that to come a little bit further forward, then you have more distance. Okay, so from the shoulder blades and execute. Now, second topic is using the gravity as your friend. Think your fist like a rock attached to your body. So instead of trying to carry the rock, allow this thing to just fall. So using this its own potential energy, and then use that momentum as it falls, then you change it by sliding a hip or swapping this hip. So this hip goes close, the thigh goes, or hip joint goes closer to the inner thigh. Then instead of power-oriented, it actually gets slightly faster, and also you're using a body like a whip, so it's a little bit harder for the opponent to react. So even omitting the gedanbarai, so it becomes ageuke gyakuzuki. So use this, the hikite motion, rather than hikite with the muscle, use that as use its potential energy and the swap. So when you're doing a kihon, as you block, you're already gyakuzuking, if that makes sense. So, and also use that action, then you can do from the shoulder blades for the shoulder blades and less muscle workout. Now use that same feeling with kizami and gyaku. So once again, this motion of drop will drive your gyakuzuki. So and then also shoulder blades pushing forward, and allow again your body to fall. So make your body weight and gravity as your friend. And then you can add a bit of fist to it at the end. that will also, because by making a fist, this gets heavier or gets more dense. So if you start from the heavy, then it will make it heavy starts. So loose starts, but as you punch, gives a bit of clench at the very end. That'll give you a tiny bit of more distance. I hope this helps.